am Nellie. Welcome to English for Mom.
Hi, Nellie. We're ready to learn.
Wonderful. Let's start with some fun words.
Yay! I love learning new things. This is going to be great.
In a peaceful village, a torn uniform taught a lesson about jealousy.
Hey, wait up. Coming. What's the rush? Race you to the river.
And so their adventure began.
At the edge of a forest far, far away from the city, there was a village of poor farmers.
Look at the beautiful fields. The river is so clear today. Let's go.
In this village lived two boys, Sok and Kun.
Come on, Kun. Let's go to the river. Okay, Sok. I bet we can catch lots of fish and see who finds the biggest one. This is the best. Yeah, that's.
They were good friends. They went swimming together.
This is so much fun. Yeah, let's race to the other side. You're on. It's so peaceful out here. Yeah, I love it. I got one. Wow, reel it in. Look at that.
They played together.
Got one. Me too. Now for the others. There's a spider. I'll get it. Awesome. Let's go show everyone.
They climbed trees together.
Got one. Toss it down. Here you go. Got it. Another one. Oh, here. Yes, we did it.
They laughed together. They went to school together.
They were even in the same class.
This lesson is fun. Yeah, I love learning with you.
All right, class, who can tell me what Yemten means?
It means to learn.
Correct.
But deep in his heart, Sok always felt that he was better than Kun.
Because Sok's father had a slightly bigger rice field. Because the floor of his house was made of wooden planks while Kun's was made of bamboo.
But most important of all, Sok had a set of old school uniform, but Kun had none. It was a little old. The shirt was not as white as it should be. The shorts looked worn.
But Sok wore it every day to school with pride. And Kun had no school uniform.
One day, a strange truck drove into the village.
Two men came out of the truck.
Here we are, safe and sound. And we've got supplies for everyone.
Thank you, this is wonderful.
We have come to speak with the village chief and the elders. You are welcome. We are the chief and elders.
We bring news and seek your guidance. Then speak.
They visited all the homes in the village and gave small pieces of paper to some villagers.
This is for your family.
Thank you so much.
The villagers were grateful for their kindness.
Weeks later, the strange truck came back.
He's back.
Hello, my friends.
This time, it stopped inside the school. School uniforms were inside the boxes.
Wow, new uniforms. They're so colorful.
Share them with everyone.
Soon there was a long queue before the tables.
Sok looked out from his window and saw Kun's father in the queue. Look, my new school uniform. Where can I get it? I want one too. It's from the school store. Let's go get one now. Yeah, let's go.
Sok ran as fast as his legs could go. sorry, son. They only give them to those who do not have a set of uniforms. You have a set, so we did not receive the paper.
Oh, it is not fair. How can this be?
I know, son.
Surely, they will have to give me a new set now. I must have a set as new as Kun. He cannot be better than me. Oh no, the charity truck is already gone.
Sok sat down at the school gates and tears started to roll down his cheeks. Now all he had was a torn school uniform.
Jealousy can make us lose the very things we already have.
I know, Mom, but it's hard.
Be thankful for what you have, and you will always have enough.
嫉妒会让我们失去原本已经拥有的东西。心存感恩，汲取你所拥有的，你就会谁发握一亿就老。走吧，我们一起回家。
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Next up, let's break down some interesting words we just encountered.
Like butterfly!
Exactly, who can tell me more?
They have pretty wings.
Wonderful! Jealousy is when you feel unhappy because someone else has something you want.
Like when I want a new toy? Yes, exactly. It's a natural feeling.
Yes, as long as we don't let it control us. At school, everyone wears a uniform,
Why do we need uniforms?
so everyone looks the same and feels equal.
That's nice. I want a uniform.
Me too! A trunk is a large box used to store or carry many things.
Like a treasure chest? Can it carry my basket?
Yes, a trunk can carry your basket and more! Having nothing inside is empty. Like this basket. See?
It's empty. What about the bowl?
The bowl is also empty.
I get it.
Let's go see the house. To suddenly understand something.
Like a light bulb turning on.
Exactly, now you get it.
Wow, I just realized something. Me too. This is fun.
Let's walk and talk.
今天我们要学习一些新的英语单词。
哇，这些泡泡好神奇。
这个是 realize，
这是的，
意思是明白。
我来试。
It's time for our Q&A session.
Yay! I have a question. Me too. This is fun.
Why want to ask about the field? Let's begin. Where were the uniforms kept?
In the playground. Yeah, let's go.
Great job! Race you there! The answer is C, in a big trunk.
Yay! We got it right.
What did Sok do when he heard about the uniforms? He went to school. He went for to sleep. C, he started playing frames. Great job! The answer is,
He ran quickly.
now run to the school as fast as you can. Wonderful effort, everyone! What did Sok see when he reached the school?
He saw many students playing.
That's right, great job!
Yeah!
The answer is C, empty boxes and no uniforms left. What was Sok's mistake in the story? A, he did not go to school. B, he wanted something just because others had it. C, he forgot his homework. The answer is B, he wanted something just because others had it.
Oh, I get it now.
That's right, always think for yourself.
I'll remember that. Me too. Thanks.
What is the moral of the story? Is it A, to always run faster?
No, I think it's C. Be thankful.
Yes, being thankful is the best lesson. It's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, teacher. We'll miss you. Bye. Thank you.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day.